rain coming. Wasn't sure it would stop here. Rumblings of thunder and dark clouds. Those have been present before and still nothing. Being out and about running errands, seeing the possibility in the skies. Silently, a prayer was spoken. God, I hope it rains today. I needed it to rain today. My heart needed it. So many dark clouds, lingering storms, swirling, howling winds of loneliness, stirring up the broken pieces hiding inside. Mind needed it. Thoughts, memories, moments, rolling through at lightning speed, leaving the dust of their sadness behind, only to be on the same timely schedule. Every single second. Soul needed it. Covered in the dirt of depression, settling on and over everything inside of what was so full of hopeful light. Eyes needed it. Necessary camouflage from other eyes so that rivers running down face daily may be more of the secret eyes want them to be. So that clouds could take over weeping for overworked tear ducts resting on the green-blue corners of Cried More Than Enough Street and Can't Stop Crying Boulevard. And I really needed it to rain today. More than ever in my life, because we used to wait for, dance in, sing songs in, embrace under, and share the rain. I really needed it to rain today. Just wanted to be close to you, in a way.